Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use low gear in mountains. When driving in mountainous terrain, selecting the correct low gear is crucial for both safety and vehicle longevity. Low gears provide more torque, helping your engine manage steep inclines and descents without overworking. This technique prevents excessive brake wear and maintains better control, especially on challenging roads. Understanding when and how to shift will make your mountain driving experience much smoother and safer. When ascending a steep mountain, engage a lower gear, typically second or third, before the climb begins. This allows your engine to operate within its optimal power band, usually between 2,000 and 3,000 revolutions per minute. Avoid letting your engine lug, which means it's struggling at very low RPMs, as this can cause strain. Maintain a steady speed and use the accelerator gently to keep momentum without over-revving. For safe descents, use engine braking by selecting a low gear, often the same gear you would use to climb that specific incline. This technique helps control your speed without relying solely on your brakes, preventing them from overheating and fading. If you're descending a very steep grade, first gear might be necessary to keep your speed below 20 miles per hour. This preserves your braking system for emergencies and sharp turns. A common mistake is staying in a high gear and constantly riding the brakes downhill, which can lead to dangerous brake fade. Another error is shifting into too low a gear at high speeds, potentially over-revving the engine. Always anticipate the terrain ahead and shift proactively. Remember, the goal is to maintain control and minimize wear on your vehicle, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey through the mountains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.